Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 13th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had really bad trades that we were holding over the weekend, about $6,000 negative. Well, it didn't get any better this morning. Uh, this Dow opened down 60, 70 points this morning. That did not help us, and we were just ended up chopped liver with those positions. Ended up costing us negative $15,000 in closed out trades from those positions. Just horrible open. Uh, and everything, it opens about as negative as we had on Friday, and then in 10 minutes or so, it's just killed us. So this was a very hard open to handle this morning. That is the bad news. The good news is we got into only 4 new positions. 3 were positive, 1 was negative, but we are holding positive over $7,000 on those 4 positions. So, I mean, that doesn't make up for that loss, but at least it isn't so discouraging as just getting into more losing positions. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It opened very low, but it bounced right away. Within 45 minutes, it was uh, quite positive. It did pull back a little at the end, but we are holding, we still closed positive 17. Given that this thing came back so strong and that it did not take out the low here from a couple days ago, I will call the Dow up for tomorrow. But the Dow is again struggling with this problem that Congress just can't get off its butt and talk like it's going to pass this tax reform act, and that is what's weighing on this market. I do have some good trades to show you, and I will show you all of these were things that we got into today. This first one is Momo, and we bought this right at the near the open this morning. It kept going, did pull back a little, but we still have $1,000 there in Momo. Another one here is Degaz, Inverse Natural Gas, and we bought this pretty late in the day. It didn't show much promise earlier in the day, but it did start coming back late in the day. We bought it, and it kept going pretty nicely, and we're holding positive $1,400 in Degaz. And then the big one of the day, well, let's see. Where am I here? I'm sorry. I thought I had this all. Here we go. This is Helios and Matheson Analytics Incorporated, which is HMNY. Now, this we had a really good trade in that just a few days ago, and we got another one, it looks like, today. We bought this again as soon as we could this morning, and then it pulled back a little, and then really toward the end of the day, it just screamed very nicely here. Did pull back some last 15 minutes there, but we're still holding positive over $5,000 in HMNY. So that looks really good. And let's just hope we get kind of a reversal of our bad fortunes here tomorrow on the open and throughout the day. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.